Hi, I'm Noah. I'm one of the account executives here on the GoProfiles team, and today we'll be going into and exploring what Bravos are and how they work. First off, let's kind of start off with going over what a Bravo is and why it's an integral part of the GoProfiles platform. As we can see here in the activity section, a lot of Bravos are displayed here. And Bravos are used for peer recognition and to celebrate accomplishments org-wide. They allow for employees to be recognized for their contributions and hard work and for that to be seen by the entire company. Now that we have a really good understanding of what Bravos are and what purpose they solve, let's go over how to give a Bravo. So there's two main ways that we can actually give Bravos within the GoProfiles platform. We can come up here to the top search bar and we can search for an employee's name and it'll populate. We can go to their profile and click the Give a Bravo button. Or from the home screen, we can actually hit Give a Bravo and search for the employee directly here. Simi is an SDR that I work pretty closely with, and she's been booking a lot of meetings this month, and she even booked 2 yesterday, and I think that that's pretty deserving of a Bravo, and it's probably time for some recognition. I've got a Bravo here that I've actually, pre-typed up, and I'm going to actually add it in here to the message in Bravo category area. And now comes kind of for the best part. I get to kind of choose through our, big list of Bravo categories, or I can actually lean on our generative AI to suggest a Bravo category for me if I'm not really sure which category this fits in. Let's lean on the GenAI for this. Based off of this message, she's been booking a lot of sales meetings. She even booked 2 yesterday. I think that's a pretty dependable deliver category for a Bravo. Once we hit the dependable deliverer category, we can hit next. We get a preview of what that Bravo is going to look like, and then we get to actually give the Bravo from here. Once I give that Bravo, it's going to show up in a couple places. It'll show up in your internal chat, such as Slack, MS Teams, or Google Chat. And it'll actually show up here within the activity section as well. We can click here and actually see what that Bravo was that was given. Hopefully that helps you guys have a better understanding of what Bravos are. And now time to go out and give some Bravos to those that are deserving of it.